Hi, in this video I'd like to talk about magnetic markers. You probably see that I made this to be used with the Otter. It relieves circular blocking and it can be patched when you do the meshing. But if you have like 100 of this, you need to erase it individually, one by one. And it could be time consuming. And I found this magnetic marker on AliExpress. It's coming 6 by 10 millimeters and 3 by 6 millimeters, same as the regular marker, which is about 0.93 millimeters thick. The markers that come with the scanner is 0.14 millimeters thick. Here's a shop that sells this. They make 500 pieces for $30 US. So it's very easy to apply and remove, and you can also move it. The magnetic force is not strong and you can easily move it around. It has the edges for you to pick up very easy. So today we will make a comparison between these two magnetic markers with the Raptor and the Otter to see the performance. I put half with this erasable marker. For the other half with the magnetic marker from AliExpress. I use regular sticker marker for the bumper. So markers applied, and bottom is the sticker. Here's my erasable magnetic marker. Here is the AliExpress magnetic marker. Okay, I'll start with the Otter large mode marker. Scan the QR code. Let's start the scan. Otter is very fast. Scanning large panels. About 15 frames per second. And it's back to here. You can't do this here, but you can do it on the laptop. That's it. Have a Raptor X. I scan with the resolution of 1mm. Okay, let's do the global marker. use the automatic exposure. Okay, this is the scan from Otter. Let's see if the CR scan software can erase the magnetic marker. Second off, and use 1.2 millimeters marker removal. You can see that the erasable marker, it left some nipple marks on the surface, and the magnetic marker from AliExpress, it's flat and smooth. The software can totally remove the marker dots. So if you use the 3D print erasable marker, you have to make a square cut. So if you have a under this, so it will take a long time to look for something. Here, I need to make a square cut. So when you mesh it, you click on hole filling. I choose 1.3 million faces. Alright, now you can see that the patch hole from the 3D print marker, it's quite obvious. And next to that is the magnetic marker from AliExpress. It's kind of, you still can see it, but not so obvious. And the best one will be the sticker marker. Yeah, It's not too bad, I think, for the AliExpress one. Okay, let's move to the Raptor. Guys, use 1.2 millimeters marker removal. Click. Okay, it looks smooth to me. Alright, let's cut the hole here. Rectangle cut. Okay, let's match it. Alright, I can see the difference now. The Raptor X remove all the markers. The AliExpress one, I can't see any mark left over, and also the sticker one completely removed. So this AliExpress magnetic marker works very well with the CR scan software, and it removes all of the marker. But 3D printed one is not so good. Highly recommend it, so you don't waste your time removing the sticker marker. If you want to put the markers onto the plastic bumper, you can use the glue stick. And it will stuck there for days without falling. And it's much easier to remove than the sticker. And you can actually wash this in water because this is PVP glue. It can be dissolved in water. So you can wash this and wipe with a damp cloth to clean it. So there's no need for you to actually use the sticker marker. It's very difficult to remove, and this is cheaper, reusable, and very convenient to remove.